Hi, this is Pamela Terry, and today I want to talk about something that every experienced agent has faced at some point: losing confidence. When the market changes, you've been doing this for years, you know your stuff, but suddenly the rules of the game feel different. And if you're not careful, uncertainty in the market can turn into uncertainty in yourself. But here's the good news. You can rebuild your confidence even in a shifting market. Here's a question. Has the market shaken your confidence and made you question your ability to succeed? I hear it all the time. Buyers are nervous, sellers are holding back. Nothing is moving like it used to. When deals slow down, it's easy to look inward and wonder, am I slipping? Do I still have what it takes? But let me tell you something. Your confidence doesn't come from the market. It comes from preparation, perspective, and action. And when you rebuild those three areas, you regain power to lead in any market. Here are 3 tips to rebuild confidence in a shifting market. Tip number 1, go back to the basics. When the market feels uncertain, don't overcomplicate. Double down what always works. Conversations, follow-ups, open houses, and building relationships. The fundamentals never fail. They just need consistency. Tip number 2, educate, don't just sell. Right now, clients need more clarity than anything. Share market data, explain trends, and position yourself as their guide. When you bring certainty, they will lean on your expertise, and that strengthens your confidence. Tip number 3, reframe the story. Yes, challenges exist, but every market has opportunities. Downsizing families, first-time home buyers, investors. Remind yourself and your clients, real estate is always moving, just in different ways. Confidence grows when you focus on opportunity, not fear. Confidence isn't something you wait to feel. It's something you build through action. The market will always shift, but if you stay grounded in the basics, show up as an educator, and reframe the story, you'll lead with confidence no matter what. If this has helped you, subscribe to my channel for weekly strategies to stay strong in any market. And if you're ready to rebuild your confidence and take back control of your business, direct message me today for a discovery call. Together, we'll map out your confidence game plan so you can step back into power.